Good afternoon to all of you. My colleague director, Mr. T.K. Chand, Director Commercial, Mr. Agarwal, Managing Director, Tarachand Logistics Solution Limited, Regional Manager and Senior Officers of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, Mr. Palit, Regional Manager and his team from Steel Authority of India Limited, esteemed customers, esteemed other business associates present here who are directly or indirectly associated with my company, with Tarachand, award winners, trade union leaders, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, first I would like to congratulate and compliment Mr. Agarwal for his growth of company from a mere one or only few cranes or few equipments in 1969, and today they have reached to 250. So let us give a big hand for their effort, which is helping not only him but to country in providing more and more, better and better these logistic solutions, which takes care of the interest of not only this our company but my customers and everyone. This steel industry, if we talk, Mr. Chand has already mentioned a lot about the requirement and all, and I also must compliment Junior Mr. Agarwal, Himanshu, for his nice presentation and the energy and the thinking and the innovative thinking what he has. That certainly is going to help. That will be for mutual benefit for both RINL and this Tarachand Sahu. This logistic. This, you know that in 50s, when after independence, we had our production of country was hardly 1 million ton or 2 million ton, and today we are talking about 77, 78 million ton. Capacity has already been built, 96 million ton. In 2004, country decided that came to a conclusion that requirement of steel in the country is about 110 million ton only by 2020. Today we are talking about 300 million ton by 2025. So this what we have talked about 110 million ton by 2020 in 2004-5. Today already more or less we are achieving. I think within a year or so that capacity will be achieved. So this is much ahead, and that gives confidence for country that yes, India can reach to 300 million ton. Why I was mentioning this? This cannot be achieved. This is not a task only before the steel producers, be it RINL, be it Steel Authority or our esteemed other large producers and even secondary producers. This is possible only if everybody cooperates, all the business associates who are directly and indirectly involved with the steel. Steel, you know, that's a very complex business, and we need, as Mr. Chand has rightly mentioned, that the growth of a steel company cannot be in island. It has to be together along with all the associates, be it logistic, be it customer, be it other stakeholders. So this is a really very happy to see that company like this Tarachand Logistic, who started in a small way, and what Himanshu presented, I was quite impressed that they are in a small way or big way, they are all thinking for innovative approach, and really that is needed not only for us, but it is needed for the country. See, earlier when we were talking, the competition was internal competition. It was, say, in one city, maybe in district or maybe in a state, then it is country, and today it is a question of the global competition. And to compete globally, everybody has to stretch, everybody has to look for this innovative approach, then only country can grow. And in that, the contribution of steel industry is particularly going to be very big. And you know that during this 5-year plan, government plan, $1 trillion that money has been kept for development of infrastructure. So this steel industry is bound to grow. So this type of innovative approach of Tarachand Logistics Solution and the other business associate who presented and even the manufacturing of crane and other solutions. So this is a very happy to see and good to know that everyone is stretching in their own way to move parallelly, and that is going to be the key of success. And Tarachand, I found that logo also he has shown the key, and certainly I am sure that during the years to come further he will be coming with new logistic solutions. About RINL, actually this we have already expanded our capacity to 6.3 million ton, which is going to benefit all the participants who are here, indirectly or indirectly. We have just started production, and I am sure that within few months the production, this new products is going to come in market, and particularly this western region is it is most important region for Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, Steel Authority and several, because this is hub of steel business. So this, I am also happy to see the yard management, cleanliness and the enthusiasm, and particularly the young chaps who are here. I was not aware that yes, he is implying also professional, particularly at working level, and really that is going to bring a really new level of changes which is required for country. So this I also compliment my regional manager and his team, all the business associates for their excellent support to Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited in its endeavor of growth. We have grown to 6.3, another 1 million ton we are adding, and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited will grow to 20 million ton. It is becoming multi-unit company. Earlier we were present only at Visakhapatnam. Now we have we are coming with new units in Uttar Pradesh, in West Bengal, in Rajasthan. So this is becoming multi-unit company, and we have many things in our on drawing board for customer satisfaction, for service center, how to serve customer better and better, and that will totally depend on the yard management and particularly business associates who are sitting here. With these few words, I once again compliment and thank Mr. Tarachand, Tara Logistics, for providing the excellent support to Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. He has successfully completed one tenure of 7 years, and I am sure that this 7 years, another tenure which has already started, he will do his best during this period. Our capacity is going to be almost more than double. We expect that here practically in western region our growth should be at least triple within 2-3 years, so that it will meet everybody's expectation. Once again, I thank you very much, all of you, and I also thank my friends from Steel Authority for their excellent relations. Whenever I was talking to my engineers, they were all they told that they have very good relations in this region, and that is certainly required for all the companies to grow together. Thank you very much. And ये हमारे सारे जितने भी वर्कर्स हैं जो मठारी लेबर के, जो ये अग्रवाल साहब ने काफ़ी हमें से प्रेस किया है आप लोगों का, उन्होंने कुछ बीच में बोले भी थी, कुछ मनमुटाव हुआ था, वो सॉल्व हो गया है, और जो हमारे मुझसे पूरी उम्मीद है कि जो आप लोगों के एक्सपेक्टेशन है ये अग्रवाल साहब जरूर देखेंगे. जस्ट मैं लोगों से थोड़ी बात भी करने की कोशिश की, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है. एंड another thing I found that yes, he is giving due this importance to safety. ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, because safe operation बहुत ही जरूरी है. सब लोग अपना चाहते हैं, जो काम करते हैं उनका पूरा जो काम हो सेफ ढंग से हो. तो आप लोग ने जो ये भी अच्छा अवार्ड वगैरह जो उन्हें दिया है, ये भी मेरे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. इससे अच्छे रिकॉग्निशन लोगों को मिली है, लोग इससे और प्रोत्साहित होंगे. तो आप सब लोगों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं, और मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप लोगों का सपोर्ट ये जो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली हमारी कंपनी को है, ये आपकी कंपनी है, ये एक आदमी की कंपनी नहीं है, और आप सबके सहयोग से ये कंपनी आगे बढ़ेगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड विश ऑल द बेस्ट।